Hey everybody, welcome to our last module of the week, Module 10. Here just to give your daily updates, some feedback, and to get you started on today's module so that you can have a really successful end to the week. You are watching Intro to 4.23. Today you're going to work on 4.23 Module 10. Please remember that there's an MC on Edulastic and there is a Socratic Seminar document that is posted along with the module for today. So you're going to be working on two different documents on Google Classroom. Once you finish the module for today, this is kind of a great opportunity to just make sure that you've done everything you need to do for this week. So finish IR, make sure that you've logged 4 different reading sessions, so 4 different summaries, and double check that you've completed all modules and mastery checks. And just keep in mind that the deadline for all that is Friday, so tomorrow at noon. Got this. Okay, so updates. All these updates are about mandatory tutoring. So I just wanted to answer some questions and kind of give you a heads up about how you're going to know whether or not you have MT for literacy. So there's a couple different things that literacy MT is going to look like this week. So when is MT? It depends. I am going to be polling students this week for different reasons. And so based on whether you got an MT and what your MT is for, you might get an invitation for a different time. So you'll get an invitation through Teams, through a Teams message, and that will tell you when to come to MT and what coming to MT is going to look like. So you'll get some direction. How do I know if I have an MT? It's a great question. Lots of people have been asking that, and I know it's probably different for different classes. So in literacy, you'll get a Teams message from me that looks something like this. So for example, you'll see you're assigned an MT for this Friday, and here are the details. It'll tell you the date of your MT. It'll tell you when you need to come. So a few people are going to be getting one-on-one check-ins during office hours from 9:30 to 10:30. The reason for that will be the IR check-in. So people who hadn't started their IR by Wednesday are going to be getting a check-in on Friday about that. So how will this work? If you got this invitation, you will be asked to log into Teams during office hours, and I will call you during that time for a one-on-one check-in about your progress. So you just log in, you're on Teams, you can work on your other stuff, you can check in with your other teachers, and you will get a one-on-one check-in. MT check-ins will probably be between 5 and 10 minutes, so it'll be short. And then you'll see a note at the end of your invitation that says, if this time does not work for you, or if you have another MT, please let me know. So say you get an invitation and you think, oh, I have a math MT and it's going to be at 1 o'clock or it's going to be at 10 o'clock. Just let me know so that I can make sure that I give you some support at a time that works for you. So last question, actually just a recap of what I said. What if I can't attend at my scheduled time? Email me or Teams me and we can find a time that works for you. Please do that as soon as you can. All right. So lesson today. Here's what you're going to be doing. You're going to have vocab, do now. You're going to be taking some video notes about argumentative thesis writing. So today you're going to be making arguments and you're also going to be writing counterclaim rebuttals. That is review. We've done this before, but you'll get some additional practice. When it says make post 1, that is going to direct you to open up the Socratic Seminar document. And you'll write a thesis with evidence and an explanation. You're going to go back to the module to watch another video about counterclaim rebuttal. And then you're going to go back to the Socratic Seminar document to finish that out. And then you'll have your mastery check on Edulastic. Okay, so today's going to be a lot about going back and forth between the 4.23 Module 10 document and the Socratic Seminar document. Remember, in the Socratic Seminar document, that's a shared document, so you need to label everything you write with your name. Okay. And then our objectives. So students will be able to engage in virtual Socratic seminar by making a claim with aligned evidence and also providing an effective rebuttal to other students within the discussion, so a counterclaim rebuttal. And students will be able to use subordinate clauses to acknowledge counterclaims through the use of sentence stems. Okay, there is one mistake, so sorry, in your document for today. So you all been doing a great job with these embedded video links and questions. So today it says, how will you know if you're assigned an MT for this week? You'll get a Teams message invite. And then what kind of a discussion are we going to have in today's class? And then we have this weird, today's IR update is, there's not an IR update. That should say, today we're going to have a, drum roll, Socratic seminar discussion. You can fill it right on in. All right. I just wanted to clarify that because a lot of people are probably going to ask me. And that's all for today. Good luck. Finish strong. And I am here for you, whether you have an MT or not. I'm here to check in one-on-one. So please reach out to me if you want some feedback that you haven't gotten yet, or if you want to do a check-in, or if you just want to say hi to me in person and hang out. Okay. Have a great Thursday and a great rest of your week.